Hi everyone, welcome to G Auntie's Kitchen. Today I'll be making beef dodo, liver dodo, instead of making chicken or Gizdodo. Is it cheaper? Maybe, just a little bit. Welcome back. To make beef dodo, liver dodo, I got here the beef and the liver, tomatoes, onions and pepper mixed to your taste, bell peppers. I'll use half of the green pepper. I got it all cut and chopped. Beef and liver cut into small pieces. Onions and the bell peppers chopped. Tomato, onions and pepper coarsely blended. It's a lot. I won't use everything. I've got here the meat, and here is the crushed seasoning cubes too, garlic powder, curry, thyme, white pepper, black pepper, ginger powder, a little bit less than the others, and salt. I'm going to pour it inside the beef, mix it together and allow it to sit for a while, maybe 2 or 3 minutes till I finish what I'm doing. Or if you want, you can keep it for a longer period. While the meat marinates, I have washed the plantain and I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. I've already started doing that. Got the meat on the stove. I'm not adding water yet. This is just to seal in the juices and the seasoning. After some minutes, I'm going to add water to it and then allow it to cook till it's tender. I forgot to add onions to it, so I added it later when I was cooking. It has cooked, it is tender. See the onions I added later, so we're going to get it out of the stock. I've got some oil in a pan. I'm going to fry the plantain, which is the dodo, when it is fried. The dodo is ready, so I'm going to put it in a paper napkin to drain the excess oil. Next is the liver and the beef. Fry that as well. Not too brown this time around. In another pan, I'm going to pour some of the oil I just used to fry the plantain and the liver. The oil is still hot, just a little bit to bring up the temperature, and then I'm adding the onions, the chopped onions. Next, I'm going to add the pepper tomato mix. As I said earlier, it's much more than I need, and then I'm going to be careful so that it does not overpower it. So this is okay for the beef dodo. I'm going to add the seasoning cube. I'll add thyme to it, garlic powder, finally I'm going to add salt. You notice I didn't add salt to the dodo. Cover this and allow it to cook for some time since the pepper wasn't pre-cooked. A couple of minutes later, it is not so dry. I'll add the meat to it, give it a good stir. Just Just look at it, the meat is going to absorb the sauce, so I'll cover it. Few minutes later, see, it is dry to a certain level. Lastly, I am going to add the dodo, that's the fried plantain. I'm going to mix everything together for like 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Lastly, I'm going to add the sliced onion, the green, red, and yellow pepper. For a while, it is well combined. I will turn off the heat, cover, and let the steam do the rest, so the peppers will not be overcooked.